All right, I'm Jordan Gamble with Modern Roofing. We're here at 1409 Adderley Oak Drive, Irmo, South Carolina with Mr. Hawkins Roof. We're about to do a repairability video.
Yeah, I'm Ben. I'm going to be doing the repair. As you can see, there's this one damaged shingle. So I'm going to go ahead and start popping the tabs. It's going to be 1, 2, 3. Doing my best not to bend the shingles past 45 degrees. The shingles are ripping. I'm taking the nails out. All right, so this is that shingle out. If you want to get close up, you can see all this mat transfer along the tar line. Oh, there's some right there, and just all along it. You can just see the brittleness of the shingle. This is when we're taking out. I'll just kind of bend the corner a little bit. And yeah, I mean, just barely bending it. You can see it already creased it. This is the back of the shingle. There's some more mat transfer going on. And yeah, you can see right here as well, the shingle got torn when I took that nail out. So I'll go ahead and put this new shingle in. Start putting these nails back. You can just hear all the granulars falling. It sounds like it's raining. Last nail. see the camera. So this is that repair done. You can see right here, that's where this nail is, directly in line with it. You can see the bruising that occurred when I was using that snake tool, just showing the pliability of these shingles. You got some edge damage going on, so the shingles were getting torn. You can see it along here as well, where my finger is. There's bruising. There's more bruising right here. Again, that's in line with where the nail is. That's from the snake tool. And then down here as well, there's more bruising and there's edge damage. So yeah, that's that repair done. And you can see along this bottom one, there's a very faint creasing starting to occur. And yeah, I'll deem this roof non-repairable.